Welcome to my channel, guys. So this is the channel in which I am going to upload some agricultural aspects and which will add up some greenery in your life. Firstly, I would like to thank all the people who subscribed my channel within these 2 days without having any videos. So today this video is mainly concerned regarding the topics and the content which I am going to upload. This channel is mainly concerning for the students who are studying agriculture and the people who have interest in the agricultural sectors, like different entrepreneurship aspects they want to know, then the different agricultural tricks they want to know. So I am going to share those knowledge in this channel. So I am going to tell you right now which content I am going to upload here. Firstly, agricultural tricks. There are so many agricultural tricks which will help immensely to the people who are normally growing crop or the gardening crops or the horticultural crops in their land or in the rooftop. So I'm going to discuss so many tricks regarding those so that they can have a great cropping in their home. Then second thing I am going to discuss in this channel, that is entrepreneurship aspect of the agriculture, which are right now growing greatly. Like in agriculture sector there are so many aspects which people doesn't know still, and I want to help those people by sharing my knowledge. Then thirdly, I am going to share different topic notes, like the students who are studying agriculture right now. I am going to share the different topics note of agriculture from graduation till the master's degree. Like I will choose different subjects and the different topics regarding the agricultural aspect, and I am going to share the knowledge and the notes regarding those topics. Then I am going to also share different health benefit of the crops which will be very much helpful to the local people. I am going to discuss different remedies, home remedies by the agricultural crops, which will be very much helpful to the people of normal life. Like we are very much concerning right now for the medicines, but there are so many weeds like we can use for the home remedies for the pain purpose, then normal allergy purpose, then for the cough, etc. We can use different agricultural crops. And moreover, I am going to discuss different technology regarding the agriculture, which are the new technology in agricultural field right now. As it's a new channel and we are starting a new journey, so I am hoping like everyone will support me in this new journey.